Are you looking to shed those extra pounds while following a vegan lifestyle? Well, you've come to the right place. In today's video, we'll discuss the most effective strategies for vegan weight loss. One of the first things to keep in mind is that not all vegan foods are created equal. Focus on whole, plant-based foods that are low in calories and high in nutrients. Try incorporating more fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes into your diet. These foods are not only nutritious but also help keep you feeling full and satisfied. When it comes to portion sizes, practice mindful eating and listen to your body's hunger cues. Avoid overeating and aim for balanced meals that include a variety of nutrients. Don't forget to hydrate. Drinking enough water is crucial for weight loss and overall health. Another tip for vegan weight loss is to limit processed foods and sugary treats. While it's fine to enjoy these foods occasionally, they should not be the focus of your diet. Experiment with new recipes and flavors to keep your meals exciting and flavorful. Meal prepping can also be a helpful tool for staying on track with your vegan weight loss goals. Planning your meals in advance ensures that you have healthy options readily available. Including regular physical activity is key to any weight loss journey. Find exercises that you enjoy, such as jogging, cycling, or even dancing. Remember to start slowly and gradually increase the intensity of your workouts. Incorporate strength training exercises to build lean muscle and boost your metabolism. Consistency is key, so make sure to schedule your workouts and stick to your routine. Don't get discouraged if progress is slow. Remember that weight loss is a gradual process. Consider tracking your food intake and daily activity to monitor your progress. Surround yourself with a supportive community, whether online or in your local area. Having a support system can make all the difference in staying motivated and on track. Lastly, be kind to yourself and celebrate your achievements along the way. Remember that weight loss is not the only measure of success. Focus on overall health and well-being. With dedication and mindful choices, vegan weight loss is within your reach. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you found these tips helpful. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos on vegan living and weight loss tips.